In a quiet field in England, archaeologists uncovered one of the most important discoveries in history, a massive buried ship filled with treasure. At Sutton Hoo, this ancient burial revealed a lost world of kings, warriors, and advanced craftsmanship once thought impossible for the time. For centuries, this civilization was dismissed as primitive. But this discovery proved otherwise. This buried ship overflowing with artifacts reshaped our understanding of early medieval England and its remarkable civilization. With each artifact unearthed, a new chapter in England's history unfolded, revealing a culture rich in artistry and connection. The significance of Sutton Hoo transcends mere treasure. It is a window into a complex society that challenged long-held beliefs about early medieval England. This remarkable find inspired a re-evaluation of historical narratives, shedding light on the sophistication and influence of past civilizations. As historians and archaeologists continue to study the site, Sutton Hoo remains a beacon of discovery, inviting us to explore the depths of history and human achievement. Imagining the lives of those who once sailed this ship evokes a sense of connection to our shared past, reminding us that history is never truly buried. The story of Sutton Hoo continues to inspire future generations, igniting curiosity and passion for history that binds us across time. As the legacy of Sutton Hoo unfolds, it becomes a source of pride for the community, sparking creativity and reverence for their rich cultural history. The ongoing research efforts ensure that the secrets of Sutton Hoo will keep revealing their stories, enriching our understanding of a remarkable era. Through innovative presentations and explorations, the treasures of Sutton Hoo continue to captivate hearts and minds, bringing history alive in extraordinary ways. With each story shared and every artifact recreated, the legacy of Sutton Hoo lives on, weaving the past into the fabric of the present. As visitors journey through this ancient site, they are transported back in time, gaining a deeper appreciation for the lives and legacies that once thrived here.